Hi Printable List users, Heather at Moritz Fine Designs. Wanted to share with you some new options that are available on this newest release of the Printable List plugin. We've been out for a year now and have made a bunch of changes. We're excited about these new ones and look forward to new changes that are coming within the next year. At any time, feel free to email us, support@moritzfinedesigns.com, and send over items that you would love to see in future updates. We'd like to get those from you and continue to work on new items to make life even easier for you. First thing I wanted to cover are a few new options for the blog readers. You'll see that I have a few items over here in my pop-up list. The print is now no longer text, it's a little icon, and then we have a new option here. This is to email the list so that the reader can email it to their mobile device, to their computer, wherever they want it to go, and then access that, and they don't necessarily have to print it out. That's the first thing, and then you'll also see this X button here. That's to clear out your list if you want to clear the whole thing instead of item by item or instead of refreshing the page. One more thing for the reader that hopefully everybody will love is to be able to add items from multiple lists on different pages of your website. So if they've added all these items from this Kroger list, then go to a previous list on a different page, they are now not going to lose the items that were in the list anymore. We're going to head on over into the back end here and look at the things that are new for you guys, the bloggers. If you've never been in your settings area, you might want to take a peek in here. There's different things that you can change, options for you. This time around, there's new print page options for your readers. If you only want them to be able to add notes to their list or only add additional coupons, you can pick which one, or you can choose both. That's a new option for you. The next new thing is this dividers area. This gives you the ability to add templates for each of your stores. So if I go and I'm going to do Kroger every week as one of my matchups, I'm going to create all the dividers or all the categories that I want to include in every list. These can be edited within the list, so you might want to fill it with every possible divider or category that you might use, and then go in and take them out once you actually create your list. Let me show you how to do that. I'm going to create a new list here. Go ahead and open it up. And then I'm just going to import my dividers from my Kroger list. Go ahead and import them. Then you'll see that they all show up, and let's say, for example, I'm not going to have any household in this item, in this list. I can just go ahead and take that out if I want. And if I've missed a divider, I can always add that as normal. Let me close that out and go to a list that's already been created for you so you can see the new changes within this area. We've added some color for you. The blue is are the dividers, and the green are your list items. One new thing that you'll notice over on the right hand side here is this share icon. You can now choose to share particular items in your list. If you don't want every item shared, you don't have to. If you want to just share your top 5 because you give out a teaser list to other people, you can now just click on which of the items you want to be shared, instead of having to re-import a list from yourself and creating a second one with just 5 items in it, or however you work that situation with the people that you share with. Another item up here is the text and replace, a simple find and replace. If for any reason you would want to use that, maybe to change out affiliate codes that didn't get changed out, something like that, that is now an option for you. And then you'll see when you go to add a new item, we've added something that's going to help make your sorting a little bit easier. After I've got all of my content in, I can now decide where in the list I want it to go, whether I want it to go to the top of the list or the bottom of the list, or top or bottom of any of the categories that I already have created. So this is just a way to do less sorting for you in the long run. I know that slowed some of you down with the dragging and dropping, so hopefully this will make things a little bit faster. That's it for this upgrade of the Printable List plugin. If you want to get this upgrade, please send us an email at support@moritzfinedesigns.com and we will get that to you as quickly as we can. Let us know if you have any questions. We're always happy to help.